Flash Rewards claims that it lets you earn up to $750 in Shein or PayPal rewards. But is that true? Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we are gonna run through exactly what is Flash Rewards, how does Flash Rewards work, how much does Flash Rewards pay, is it legit or is it one of the scam sites to stay away from? So this way you could decide if this website is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching. It does always smash that like button, obviously it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Now, if you don't know what Flash Rewards is, it's an online reward program where users complete tasks for gift cards they can redeem for purchases. The program offers deals to users, and once completed, they offer rewards in the form of Amazon gift cards. The Flash Rewards is a cashback rewards program based in New York. And there are multiple ways to make money with Flash Rewards. The most popular one is playing games for cash. And how to get started? Once you visit the Flash Rewards website page, you will need to sign up by entering your basic information such as your name, email, and password. Then take their survey. Participate in their survey so that you can get the best offers based on the information provided. They will ask you about your country, your city, and your phone number. Then complete deals. Here is their level and deals chart of how much you can make with Flash Rewards. As you can see, each deal is assigned a level. It's not just the number of deals you complete. If you complete the right amount of deals but the wrong level, you may be denied your reward. Also, keep in mind a lot of these deals require you to spend money before you can earn, and a lot of them at least require you to enter your credit card details, which not everyone is comfortable doing. And if you do, just make sure to cancel your credit card in time so it doesn't start charging you for a service you didn't want to begin with. You will never give Flash Rewards your credit card number or make a purchase directly through them. Instead, they will team up with companies who are eager to get your feedback and support. A portion of the money you spend with one of their partners will go to Flash Rewards. Then Flash Rewards will dedicate a fee from that total in order to compensate you. Like similar affiliate schemes like Rakuten, Mr. Rebates, you will earn a commission on sales made through their links. The difference is that Mr. Rebates gives you cashback when purchasing physical products from various brands and retailers. Flash Rewards, on the other hand, gives you cashback for the win deals that involve subscriptions, completing offers, playing games, and even things like signing up to drive for Uber. You can find deals that cost you anywhere from $1 to $50 or more. Among these deals are apps that require paid participation, signing up for free trials, subscriptions, etc. So if you have seen ads or offer of $750 Shein card or Amazon card or cards from Walmart, eBay, etc., it's important to know that these are not giveaways. Instead, they are rewards for completing tasks, some of which may cost money. So after you have completed a certain number of deals, you can get paid within 5 to 7 business days, but you will need to upload your ID for verification. Keep in mind, there are people who have reached this stage and faced problems as shown in the picture. Flash Rewards complaints. Lots of these offers require you to enter your credit card detail, and you cannot trust all the sites that they offer you to register in. And there are some tasks that require you to wait 60 days, 2 months, to be counted or not. And to redeem your gift cards, you must upload proof of identity. So is it legit? No matter what type of reward site you use, there is always a risk that you will not receive the amount of rewards that you are owed. Many companies do a poor job of tracking the offers that are sent to them and try to make up fake errors in order to avoid paying out. You will never know what is really happening as the company that offers you a reward for doing certain things. Trustpilot reports that user feedback is placed on the site. Flash Rewards doesn't have great reviews. There is no guarantee that Flash Rewards will always make payments. Some people have said they were able to get their money after completing all the offers, while others have said they had problems. Regardless, a lot of reviews were negative about the site overall and warned readers that they hadn't been paid for their work. Maybe you could receive 100% or more than what you actually spend on deals. Of course, it depends on how many deals you complete and what those deals are, but a 100% return is far greater than 1% to 15% you may earn on sites like Rakuten, for example. One reason flash rewards can pay high percentage relative to what you spend if they actually pay is that some people don't qualify. And the problem is that some participants will claim they have fulfilled all requirements, while flash rewards may claim they didn't. Was right. So, is it worth your time? I just think no. But it's up to you to decide that. So yeah, that's it for this video. So hopefully this video helped you out and bye bye.